tell Mommy where we're at right now. What are we doing?
Oh, we're at the big airplane.
We're on the big airplane. How high does the airplane go?
This high.
That high? Is that really, really high or just a little high?
Just a little high.
Just a little high? Do you like the big airplane?
Yes.
Yes. Why? What do you like about the big airplane?
I'm going up in the air.
Because you're up in the air?
Yeah.
Oh, is that fun? Did you spill your nuts?
Yeah.
Yeah, and your berries. Where are we going, Taylor? Where is the airplane taking us?
I'm at the home.
To home? What are you going to do when you get home?
I'm gonna read a book.
You're going to read a book? What else are you going to do?
I don't know.
Are you going to jump on the trampoline?
Yes.
Yes? And play in the sandbox?
No.
No?
No, it's too cold.
Oh, it's too cold outside?
Yeah, it's too cold. It's not too cold. It's up in there.
Uh-oh, better put your seatbelt back on.
Why?
Because the flight attendants asked us to.
Okay, Mama.
Well, you gotta have your seatbelt on.
It's on, Mommy.
Here, baby, look. You see this right here? Want me to hold it so you can snap it in? There you go, I'll hold it. You snap it in. Can you do it? Yay, you did it!
Mama, what's this?
That's to take the seatbelt off. Can you put it back together?
Oh, that's
Is that how it goes? Okay, can you say bye-bye to the camera?
Bye-bye, Grandma.